Changing your verification method on eBay can help enhance your account security and ensure smoother buying and selling experience. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile name. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Security or Security Settings. This section contains options related to your account security and verification methods. Step 4. Update verification method. Look for the option to change your verification method. You may see options like SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your verification method, eBay may require you to verify the new method. Follow any on-screen instructions to confirm the changes, ensuring your new verification method is active. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on eBay. Regularly updating your security settings helps keep your account safe.